What's up, guys? It's a Wednesday. I just thought while we're taking this PassApp back home, I'd remind you that my book is now available for pre-order. It's called The Big Book of Weird Top 10 Lists. It'll be ready in about a week and a half. Just a week and a half left. All you have to do to get your name on the list, to get it on day one, is hit the donate button below. Any donation of just $10 or more, and your name or your email address will be included. And on the day it's released, you'll be able to read it before anyone else. There's also a link down below for my website, roadto1000.siterubics.com. If you look at the first post there, it'll tell you more about the book, some of the chapters you're going to get, and you can also pre-order it right from that page if you wish. I need to get about 45 more pre-orders. So it'd really help me out if you guys get a copy. Not only do you get something cool, but it also helps support free education here. And that's always an important thing. So everybody wins. And this book is going to be big. Over twice as long as both of my other books. Full of information, interesting facts, weird things you didn't know. You can expand your knowledge and help me out at the same time. But there are also links down below for my first two books if you're interested in those. One is called Live in Cambodia, if you want to move here to teach or retire. I've written a book to help make that easier for you with all the information you need to know. My other one is called Factory Rats. It's a book about my time working in a factory before I decided to move to Cambodia and become a teacher. Still working on the Whopper delivery mission. So far I've talked to a couple drivers. They both want $10, and I'm telling you that that's too much money. I'm going to try to find this guy the best deal possible, because if he wants Whoppers and he's willing to go to that length, I'm going to make sure he doesn't overpay. I do have some more people to talk to. We're going to get them the best price on delivery, because the Whoppers are a set price. And it's just a matter of how much for somebody to take them to him where he lives. So I'm negotiating for the best price, because I think $10 is a bit too much. Since something you can put with while he's taking a bunch of other people to Camp Hong Kong. Also wouldn't take up any more space. So if you're listening, I'm still working on it. We'll get them to you really, really soon. Alright, so that was a short drive home from the old market. Up. Hey, there's my buddy. There's my buddy. There's my buddy. Meet me at the door. Hey, let me grab all this stuff here. Yeah. Okay. I think I got everything. Come on, buddy. Come on. Let's get these upstairs. I was going to start this video at the market, but oh, and you can see my my hands are pretty full. Plus, I had my coffee. There was just no room for a phone. Okay. Oop. Set these over here. Hi, buddy. You had to come check it out, didn't you? Yeah, you did. Go on in. Last night he was acting all weird. All right. All right, talk to you guys later. All right, guys, it's obviously now nighttime. You can probably tell the difference because first it was daytime and the sun was out, and now it's nighttime and there is no sun. If you figured that out, good for you. You are a detective in the making. I did want to tell everybody that I've heard through the grapevine, a reliable source. If you're here right now in Cambodia, in Siem Reap, and you're looking for a teaching job, that Smart Kids International School is hiring. They're looking for, I believe I was told seven teachers. They're a pretty well-known school, pretty popular here in town. So before they start advertising and getting everybody and their brother involved, your best bet would be dress up. After you listen to this, after you watch this, get dressed up, take your CV packet, get in there, get your applications in now. I don't know much. I don't know anything else about the position. Don't know what they require beyond a TEFL certificate. We will have to discuss that with them. But it would be a great opportunity if you're in town and that's what you're looking for. Should be able to find it pretty easy on Google Maps. Like I said, it's pretty popular, pretty big. Like walking down by the river at night, can't see much through the camera. But it's very nice and very peaceful. It was 31 degrees Celsius today, which means we're getting right back into the very hot season again. The dry, hot season. We had a little break there. It lasted for like a month. That would be considered Cambodian winter. But now we're back to typical weather. If you walk on this side of the river, opposite of where we live. You can see all kinds of statues in the little park over here. Can't see them that well, but some elephants. There you go. At night, people like to come and walk around between the bridge up there and the bridge. You can see all the way down there lit up. They like to walk around in the circle. Some of them are walking, some are jogging. Some people just like to come down here and sit. A lot of times, of course, especially when it does start getting hot and a lot of people don't come out during the day, it's better to stay indoors where you can at least have a fan or stay somewhere under shade. So at night, when it cools down, they like to come out and relax and enjoy the evening. And not really much else going on right now. I did have a couple questions I've already answered in comments. I have touched on them before. First one having to do with teaching over a certain age. And yes, I think as I've said, I think the big advantage there is schools look at you as a person who's, if you're older, that is not going to be leaving 6 months later after your contract is up. You tend to have more experience and you're probably going to stick around longer, so they don't have to keep looking for new teachers all the time. So that's an advantage. Plus, older people have some extra experience that perhaps younger people do not have. I'm not pitting age groups against one another. I'm just saying the way that they look at it. Could be that if you're older, you're more experienced. And you probably stick around a lot longer. So yeah, age isn't really a factor. I know of people who are over here teaching in their late 60s, even early 70s in this part of the world. So, and again, no matter what your age, the person that gets out and hustles and finds the jobs without expecting the jobs to come to them, they're going to be the ones that are successful in finding those jobs. All right, we're at an intersection, busy intersection. But it is that time of night that, anytime after 6 o'clock or so, you're going to get a lot of traffic. Water looks a bit brown down there. As you can see. But still, I like when the bridges are all lit up. I think it looks nice. Alright, check out all my links down below. They're all down there. Pre-order my new book, buy copies of my other books. If you want to join my Patreon, you can get short little videos, pictures, and posts that are not anywhere else on social media or anywhere else on the internet except for my Patreon. So feel free to check out the tiers, find the one that's right for you, and join. I really do appreciate all the support. Whether you're buying a book, you're buying a t-shirt, you're just donating out of the kindness of your heart. I appreciate it all. And of course, everybody that watches, subscribes. Nice tree. I appreciate you guys also, of course. Alright. That'll do for this one. This area up here is really dark in my camera. You won't be able to see anything anyway. But I just wanted to get that out there, that if you're looking for a teaching job, that school is hiring. So get in there, get out there and get yourself a nice teaching job. All right, I'll talk to you guys in the next one.